Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome again to my channel. It's me Elsie, your trainer, and today we're going to show you another video of a CNA student who did well in her vital signs performance. Let's watch together.
I'm going to perform how to take vital signs to a patient. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Hazel. I'm your caregiver for today. I will take your vital signs.
First, clean the thermometer with an alcohol swab. Set the thermometer. Put the thermometer on the axillary part of the patient and wait for the thermometer to alarm. Next I'm going to do is to check the blood pressure of the patient. Have the patient on a comfortable sitting position with the forearm supported at the level of the heart and the palm of the hand upward. Expose the brachial artery while placing the BP cuff. Palpate the location of brachial artery and place the stethoscope. Inflate the cuff and note the point on the gauge. Deflate the cuff and wait 1 minute.
Your blood pressure is 120/80.
Normal range for adult is 120/80 millimeters mercury. Next, I'm going to take the oxygenation of the patient. Put the pulse oximeter on the middle finger of the patient. And check for the pulse rate. And together check for the respiratory rate.
The pulse rate is 63 per minute, and the oxygen is 98. And the RR is 20.
Normal range for adult for the pulse rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Respiratory rate is from 12 to 20 cycles per minute. And oxygenation's normal range is 95 to 100% on room air. Next I'm going to do is to check the glucose of the patient. First, prepare the needle on the glucopen. And set the gauge of the glucopen. Next is to prepare the strip on the glucometer. Clean the patient's middle finger with an alcohol swab. Get the glucopen and prick the patient's middle finger. Put the blood on the glucose strip and wait for the result.
Your blood sugar is 110 mgdl.
Normal range for glucose in adult is 80 to 100 mgdl. Then clean the patient's middle finger with a dry cotton swab.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video. Thank you.